All are welcome to the YouTube channel Science with Jairaj. This is the first episode of our YouTube channel Science with Jairaj. I started this YouTube channel Science with Jairaj for demonstrating and explaining all the physics, chemistry, biology experiments of the students studying in Standard 1 to Standard 12. You can subscribe our YouTube channel for getting all the videos uploaded in the channel. Today, we start with a chemistry experiment which is taught in the high school classes. It's about an exothermic reaction. An exothermic reaction is a reaction in which heat energy is liberated. We shall go to the lab. Welcome to our lab. I have placed some bricks here. Some firewood is placed inside that. There I have placed a chemical reactant, and another chemical reactant is there in the test tube in my hands. I am pouring this chemical reactant to the other chemical reactant. I have poured. We will see what will happen. Smoke has started to come. Exothermic reaction happened. Fire came out. In every exothermic reaction, heat is liberated. We will go to the studio for explaining what happened in this reaction. One of the chemical reactant I used in this experiment is potassium permanganate. This potassium permanganate is available from all medical shops. This potassium permanganate is used to purify water after cleaning the wells. The second chemical reactant I used is glycerin or glycerol. It is also available from the medical shops. So you can go to the medical shop and purchase these two chemical reactants and perform this experiment at your home. The chemical formula for potassium permanganate is KMnO4, and the chemical formula for glycerin or glycerol is C3H5OH thrice. Now let us see the chemical equation behind this reaction. 14 KMnO4 solid plus 4 C3H5OH thrice liquid gives 7 K2CO3 solid, that is potassium carbonate, plus 7 Mn2O3 solid, manganese oxide, plus 5 CO2, 5 carbon dioxide, plus 16 H2O gas. This is the chemical reaction behind this reaction. The speed of a chemical reaction is dependent on the surface area of the reactants. I shall demonstrate the same reaction with two surface areas of potassium permanganate. We shall go to the lab. Actually, the speed of a reaction is directly proportional to the surface area of the reactants. Here, with increased surface area, I am doing the same experiment. One with increased surface area and one with ordinary surface area. So I am increasing the surface area of the potassium permanganate using a mortar and pestle. This is the potassium permanganate with increased area, and this is the potassium permanganate with the ordinary area. I am going to pour glycerin into two of these chemical reactants. Let us watch what will happen. You see, the potassium permanganate with increased area has already started the reaction, and the exothermic reaction happened. But the potassium permanganate with the less surface area is still waiting for the reaction. Let us see what happens. Oh, it has started. Smoke came and fire came after a long time. That means when the area of the reactants is increased, the fastness of the reaction happens. Now I am going to demonstrate one more reaction of potassium permanganate. The reaction between potassium permanganate and milk. We will see what happens. This is a pot of milk. This is our potassium permanganate. I am pouring this potassium permanganate into milk. And I am stirring. I'm stirring with a spoon. We will see what happens. Stirring. Okay, let us see what happens. Anything happening? Let us wait. Some bubbles are coming. Heat is coming out. It is also an exothermic reaction. See the reaction between potassium permanganate and milk. Fumes are coming. The potassium permanganate is becoming into a red matter, a black matter. See, our milk has become in this form. See what happened to our milk. This is the reaction between potassium permanganate and milk. It is also an exothermic reaction. Today I demonstrated two exothermic reactions of potassium permanganate. For more videos for the classes 1 to 12, all the physics, chemistry, biology experiments of class from 1 to 12, you please subscribe our channel Science with Jairaj. Thank you.